Time come, now come to build a different Jamaica, one in which all social groups work together to create a nation where there is economic opportunity for all, respect and dignity for all, and a justice system that treats every person the same, no matter who they are or where they live. Time come, now come to reform apartheid education system that leaves too many students unprepared for the demands of the modern world, unable to make a decent living, and without a deep understanding of our history and rich culture. Time come, now come to feed ourselves, to create the conditions for true food security. Time come, now come for workers to be treated like human beings. Time come, now come for corruption to stop. Time come, now come for we the people to have a regular say over the things that impact our lives and to hold those we elect accountable. Time come, now come for a better health system that puts the patient first. Time come, now come for every Jamaican who dreams of owning a home to have a real chance to do so. Time come, now come for our creative talent to unleash its full potential upon the world. Time come, now come for Jamaica to be nice for everybody, not just for a few. Time come, now come for a new Jamaica. Time come, now come to vote for the People's National Party, the party of change.